Hey, it's Jen Taylor with the Christy Reese Group. Welcome everybody. We're gonna revisit 840 Hill with Brian Sanford and 5 Designs. We did a tour of this house earlier in the spring. If you remember, I was riding my bike. It was beautiful. We were all in shorts. Well, now it's done. It's completely finished. I can't wait for you all to see it. It's amazing. So Brian's gonna meet us inside. Let's go knock on the door. Hey!
Hello.
Hi Brian, how are you?
Doing well, thanks.
Oh my gosh, it's so good to see you.
Yeah.
Can we just break it down? Can we talk about what all has happened? You guys moved in warp speed for what, 3.5, 4 months?
Yeah, about 4 months.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Let's start with the exterior.
Full knockdown of the original siding to get the best texture we could out of a 100-year-old siding. Had an amazing painter come in and work on this one. We added a pergola and then full gut of the landscaping and a fresh start over. So everything zero-scaped, very little maintenance to do.
It even smells new.
The cedar helps.
The cedar helps, right?
Yes.
And you did your classic Brian Sanford 5 Designs style house numbers.
Yes.
That's kind of your marquee, isn't it?
Exactly
your signature.
Right. Yep.
Well, let's go see it.
Awesome. Come on in.
Show us. Okay,
Yeah.
let's do it.
We were able, like we talked on the first time, we saved this room. We talked about taking these doors out, but again, it's a 5-bedroom house with this office, so we want to leave this office/bedroom.
You've refinished the hardwood floors,
Yep,
the original
refinished floors. Kitchen came out amazing. We were able to seamlessly blend that porch into the kitchen, so it feels like it's always been here, which is what I really intend to do every time we start a project. And lots of fun little things. Again, stainless steel countertops, which I really enjoy doing. Higher end appliances.
New custom cabinets.
Yep.
You did the tile backsplash.
Tile backsplash. Yeah, everything in this kitchen's brand new. We've got a little coffee bar, which has been really popular. Little thoughtful stuff. We've got the railing here, so you can literally just pick this railing up and slide it off. If you're moving furniture down, you don't have that steep of a...
That's so smart. And gorgeous hand fabricated. That's very artisan.
Yes,
Made locally.
Arch Studios.
There's Scott waiting for us saying, hey, what about me? You designed this in such a way that this could be split off from the upper level.
Yep. Yeah, so downstairs has its own stubbed-in plumbing and circuit breaker. So you could literally, right across here, eliminate this railing, put a wall through, and have a separate apartment altogether downstairs. So for the Airbnb popularity downtown, it's really great.
When you open this house up, you went from a 2-bed, 1-bath, 900 or so square feet, to a 5-bed, 3-bath, almost 1,700 square feet.
Yes. And
amazing.
Yeah, so really making a lot, and again, no additional square footage. We didn't add the footprint. So again, we're back to the office to reacquaint yourself. In here we've got a nice little bathroom redone, again with the 4.5-foot tub that's really fun, and a new tile in the shower. New master bath with the barn slider. So again, this was just what they utilized as the back porch, and we were able to turn it into a great little master bathroom and finished tile shower in the corner here.
This is my favorite room. I love the application of the windows, the custom window, the verticalness right there, verticality. And then this plant shelf up here with light up above.
Let's keep going.
Show us downstairs.
And nice, like I say, living and family room down here. Another fun little barn slider for the main bath down here.
Okay, so just to reiterate, so you pop off this panel, and all of your utilities are back there. If you wanted to build this out as a kitchenette, so this can be its own independent apartment.
Right, 3 bedrooms down here, which are all really good size, and then we went over the top with the egress windows, so you really don't feel like you're in a basement.
That makes all the difference. And these are good full heat ceilings.
Yeah, just a couple inches shy of 8 foot, so that's really nice. Full footings all the way around this basement, brand new poured walls on the sides, so years to come, this thing is just bulletproof.
So Brian, you've added some windows, we brought some light in, brand new roof upstairs, brand new roof on the whole house.
Yep.
New roof on the garage.
Yep. Again, springtime, a little bit of touch up. We everything back here is frozen, so we've got a little touch up doing the crawl space. That's access for plumbing in the bathroom. Still some little paint touch-ups to do. The window there was white and it will be painted black. Some more paint on the garage, and kind of left the backyard kind of a canvas for the new owner. Super fun thing. The guy that lived here for I think like 50 or 60 years, he was a plumber, and he had a pull-through 2-car garage, and he did all his own maintenance. There's shelves galore in here, but underneath all these, there's a little mechanics pit. So probably about 3.5 feet deep. Again, some of the things I've seen in this house I've never seen anywhere downtown. So it's really unique, very cool property.
Brian, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Thanks. Yes.
Always fun.
We're a better place for having you and your design, and yeah,
Well, thanks.
you make our landscape a prettier place.
Good, thank you.
Yeah.